The phrase shut down is a common phrasal verb in English. It is made from two words, shut and down. When you put them together, they make a new meaning. Shut down means to close something completely, so it cannot work or be used anymore. You can use shut down for machines, computers, businesses, or even events. Let's start with some simple examples. First, imagine you are using a computer. When you finish your work, you do not just close your programs. You need to shut down the computer. This means you turn it off completely. You press the power button or click a button on the screen to shut it down. When the computer is shut down, it is off and not working. Another example is a shop or a business. If a shop closes for the day, we say it is closed. But if the shop stops working forever, we say the shop has shut down. For example, the shop shut down last year. This means the shop is not open anymore, not just for one day, but forever. Let's look at how to use shut down in different verb tenses. First, the present simple tense. We use the present simple to talk about things that happen regularly or facts. For example, they shut down the factory every Sunday. This means every Sunday, the factory stops working for one day. Now the present continuous tense. This tense is for things happening now. For example, they are shutting down the computer. This means right now someone is turning the computer off. Next, the past simple tense. We use this tense for things that happened before, in the past. For example, the restaurant shut down last month. This means last month the restaurant closed and is not open now. Now, the present perfect tense. We use this tense for things that happened before now, but the time is not exact, or it is important now. For example, the company is shut down. This means the company is now closed, and it happened sometime before now. Let's look at more examples to help you understand. Example 1. The school is shutting down because of the holidays. This means right now the school is closing for the holidays. Example 2. Please shut down your phones before the movie starts. This means turn off your phones before the movie begins. Example 3. The ice cream shop shut down last winter. This means last winter the shop closed. Example 4. My computer shuts down when the battery is empty. This means every time the battery is empty, the computer turns off. Now let's talk about the negative form. If you do not want to shut something down, you use do not or does not for present simple. For example, I do not shut down my computer every night. He does not shut down his phone during class. For the past, you use did not shut down. For example, they did not shut down the office last week. For the continuous form, you use not shutting down. For example, they are not shutting down the system right now. Let's talk about the question form. If you want to ask about shutting down, you use do, does, or did at the beginning. For example, do you shut down your computer every night? Does she shut down the machine after work? Did they shut down the store last year? Now, let's explain the difference between shut down and close. Both can mean to stop something, but shut down is usually stronger. Shut down often means to stop something completely, sometimes forever. Close can mean just for a short time, like closing a door or closing a shop for the night. For example, the store closes at 8 p.m. This means every day the store is not open after 8 p.m. But the store shut down. This means the store stopped business and will not open again. Shut down can also mean to turn off machines or equipment. For example, at a factory, workers might shut down a big machine to clean it or fix it. Let's look at some more examples with different verb tenses. Present simple. They shut down the lights every night to save energy. Present continuous. He is shutting down the computer now. Past simple. She shut down her business after 10 years. Present perfect. We have shut down the machine for maintenance. Negative present simple. The workers do not shut down the machines during the day. Negative past simple. The company did not shut down last year. Question present simple. Do you shut down your laptop at night? Question past simple. Did the factory shut down because of the storm? Sometimes shut down can also mean to stop something from happening, like an event or a meeting. For example, the police shut down the party because it was too loud. This means the police stopped the party and it could not continue. Remember, after shut down, you can say what is being closed or stopped. You can say, shut down the computer, shut down the shop, or shut down the website. To finish, remember that shut down is a phrasal verb. It means to close or stop something completely, like a machine, a shop, or an event. You can use it in many tenses, and now you know how to use it in sentences. Try to use shut down when you talk about closing things completely or turning off machines. Practice with your friends or write your own sentences. The more you use it, the easier it will be.